Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. You have landed on a channel where my daughter and I post 2 beauty videos a week. On Mondays is Mom and Me Day, so it is a Monday today, and on Thursdays is either Teen Take with Emma or Mom Moment with me. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button down below and the little bell that is right next to it. Today we wanted to do that makeup challenge, Google Picks My Makeup. So what you do is you put in the first letter of your first name, the first letter of your last name, and the word look into Google Images. And the very first picture that comes up is the one that you create a makeup look based on. Emma created something bright, colorful, very whimsical. I went a little bit more classy, but this is a really fun makeup challenge. Without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so when I put in my initials and the word look, a picture of a girl with curls in her hair came up. Okay, so first off, I'm applying some eye primer to my lid using the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. So when I saw that picture of the girl with her hair curled, I thought of playful. So I'm going to do a playful eyeshadow look with these pinks and maroon shades in the Bad Habit Cosmetics Royal Palette. Firstly, for my crease, I'm going to take the shade Noble and I'm going to apply that, as I said, in the crease. Okay, next I'm going to take the shade Majestic and I'm going to apply that right here on the outer corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to take the shade Primrose and I'm going to apply that from my inner corner out to where I applied the color Majestic. Next, I'm going to take the shade Crown and I'm going to use some setting spray on top of it and I'm going to apply that just over the color Primrose. I'm going to go back into the shade Majestic and just blend that in with the color Crown. Next, I'm going to take a mixture of the shade Throne and Regal and I'm going to mix those two together and put them under my eye. And lastly is inner corner highlight. I'm going to take the shade Queen and, as I said, it's going to go right in the inner corners. And just because I feel like a little brow bone highlight, I'm going to take the shade Treasury and it's going to go under my brow bone. And just to top this look all off, I'm going to use a little bit of liquid lipstick and I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. So that's it for me, and now off to my mom.
So when I put in my initials SN and then the word look into Google, this picture came up as my first option. Yeah, so really not much to work with. It's just a pair of black, what looks like men's shoes. So then I thought, okay, well that's very classy and it's black, so what can I do? I thought I would create a winged eye look with black eyeliner, and that should be the focus of my SN look. I did create a video where I showed you how to create a wing if you have a very severe hood and deep set eyes. I will link that video up here in the corner for you. So to start out with, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer, and I really just want to cancel out any pigmentation on my lids. And then to set that primer and to continue canceling out the pigmentation in my eyelids, I will be taking my LA Colors matte eyeshadow in the color Whisper. This is my second eyeshadow single. I've panned on it already, and I do have a backup. I love this shade from LA Colors. It's just the perfect color to set in my primer. And since the wing will be the highlight of this look, I want to make sure that I use the best liquid eyeliner that I own, that I've ever tried, and that is from NYX Makeup. It's the Epic Ink eyeliner in black. This has a brush tip. It is so precise and it's so black, so pigmented. And I'm just gonna go in and create a very dramatic, pointy wing. Now the key to using this eyeliner is to make sure that you give it ample time to dry before you open up your eyes, or blink or go to the other eye, because if you don't, it is gonna smudge. It needs just a little bit of dry time. Okay, so that's the eyeliner done. I'm gonna go put on some foundation, then I'll be back with my blush and my lip color. Alright, so I have completed my foundation and a little bit of bronzing and contour. I'm gonna go on to my blush. I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Just Blushing Blush, and the color is Just Natural. So because I want my eyes to be the focus to go along with that picture of the black shoes, I want to use more natural blush and more natural lip color. And finally, for my lip color, I will be using the Milani Amore Shine Liquid Lip Color in number 11, Charming. This also is a very natural, neutral lip color. I almost forgot my highlighter, so I will be using the Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlighting Powder in the color number 321B, Precious Petals. This can go on blinding, definitely. This has been one of Emma's favorites. So I just wanted something with a little bit of pink or peach color to it, but again, not blinding, pretty subtle. And that is my completed Google Picks My Makeup look. I hope that you enjoy it.
So that is it for this Google Picks My Makeup challenge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click the subscribe button down below and also click the little bell next to it. And give this video a like if you liked it. And comment down below if you have done this and if you have seen any of these other videos around YouTube. Be sure to connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty and with my lovely self under Emma_N_2004. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time.
Bye everyone!